Hello students, welcome all of you in YouTube channel Physics with Feel. Today we are going to discuss about the topic related to power. Okay, first of all read the definition. Power is the rate at which electrical energy is consumed in an electrical circuit is known as power. कितना वो रेट है जिसमें इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी कंज्यूम हो रही है इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट से इज नोन एज अ पावर. मोर इज द पावर, हाई वोल्ट डिवाइस कंज्यूम्ड मोर पावर. सो मोर इज द हाई वोल्ट डिवाइसेस, the more the power that electrical circuit will consume. So formula related to power is potential difference multiply current. Potential difference refers to a V and current is I. Clear? According to the Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. So put the value of the V here, it will become I square R and it will again become V square upon R. These are the formulas of power. The representation of power is with P. See this circuit. If there is a potential difference of 1 volt and the current is flowing is 1 ampere, then power of the bulb will be 1 watt. Okay, 1000 watt you can write it as a 1 kilowatt. Okay, and it is generally for the heavy machines, as heavy machines consumed more power. For heavy machine, electrical energy is equal to power multiplied time. So electrical energy is 1 kilowatt hour and power is 1000 watt multiply 3600 second. The result will be 3.6 into 10 raised per 6 joule. Next is the numerical. See the circuit. There is a bulb which has certain power. Current 2 ampere is flowing through the circuit and voltage is 6 volt. You have to find out the power. The formula of power is V multiply I. So put the value of the potential difference, put the value of the current, it will come out to be 12 volt. Next numerical. Rate of electricity is rupees 200 per kilowatt hour. Find the bill if this bulb is used for 50 hours. If the bulb is lightened for 50 hours and rate of electricity is rupees 200 per kilowatt hour, you have to find out the bill. See the circuit. There is a bulb, carries the power 12 volt, current is 2 ampere and potential difference is 6 volt. So electrical energy formula is power multiply time. Okay, the value of power is 12 watt, time is 50 hours and converted into a SI units kilowatt and it is in hours. The result will be 0.6 kilowatt hour. So 1 kilowatt hour the rate of electricity is 200 and for 0.6 the rate of electricity will be 120 rupees. Now next topic is SI unit of power is watt. Okay, and there is a experience that the bulb appears to be hot, which refers to the heating effect of electricity. If the bulb appears to be hot, it regenerates a heat, so it refers to the heating effects of electricity. Now when electricity passes, it produces heat. More the electricity pass, more is the heat produced. So heat is equal to power multiply time. As more the electricity, more is the power and more is the heat produced. And for greater time we will use it, the more the heat will be generated out from the electrical devices. So representation of heat is H. The representation of power is V multiply I, which is formula, and time is T. So the formula comes out to be H is equal to I square RT, which is known as a Joule's law of heating. So heat is directly proportional to the square of the current and heat is directly proportional to the resistance. More is the resistance, more is the heat produced, and heat is directly proportional to the time. For more time, if we make the device on, the more is the heat produced from it. Next is uses of resistors. Uses of resistors is in a heater, in electrical appliances, or in a water heater. Okay. Next is fuse. It is generally a safety device which placed in a series. This wire is made up of an alloy of appropriate melting point. For example, if the high amount is current flowing through it, if high amount of current is flowing through it, then that fuse will automatically melts, and which help us to break the circuit. It is slightly heat up, or if overheating on passing high current, it automatically breaks the circuit. It is generally a safety device which prevents from the short circuits. Next is a numerical. Ravi has an iron press of resistance 4 ohm which produces 100 joule of heat per second. Find potential difference. This is a circuit. Resistance is 4 ohm. Potential difference you have to find out, and heat is 100 joule. So H is equal to I square RT. Root of the H upon RT gives us current. Put the value of the heat is 100 upon resistance is 4 and time is 1 second. So the value of the current will be 5 ampere. Okay, you have to find out the potential difference. So V is equal to IR. Put the value of the current and resistance. The voltage will be 20 volt. Next is derivation of power as potential difference is equal to work upon charge. So so the value of the work will come out to be potential difference multiply charge, and the rate of doing work refers to a power. So formula of power is work upon time. Rate of doing work is known as power, that how much work we do at the given interval of time. So power is equal to W upon T. Put the value of the work is potential difference multiply charge upon time. Potential difference multiply Q upon time is current. So put the value of the Q upon time is current. P is equal to VI. This is a derivation which is very important. Next, come out to the derivation of expression of the heat produced due to current. Drive the expression for the heat produced due to current I flowing per time period T through resistor R having potential difference V across the terminals, and name that relation. You have to find out the relation. The heat is given is H. The amount of the current flowing through it is I. For what time is T through resistor R having the potential difference V. So heat is energy. Heat is basically energy. If you find out the value of the energy, then it is a value of the heat only. So formula of the energy is P multiply time. Energy is basically a work done. Work is equal to energy, and energy is equal to the heat produced through the circuit. So E is equal to power multiply time. Heat energy is H is equal to P multiply time. So P is equal to VI. You generally have to put the value of the P, that is VI multiply T. Put the value of V is equal to IR according to the Ohm's law. V is equal to IR, I multiply T, which comes out to be I square RT. Put the value of the current V upon R is V square upon RT. Basically these three are the numericals of the heat energy, and this derivation is known as Joule's law of heating. Joule's law of heating. So SI unit of V is volt, SI unit of current is ampere, and SI unit of resistor is ohm. Next numerical is how much heat will an instrument of 14 watt produce in half an hour if it is connected to a battery of 70 volt. There is the value of the power, that is 14 volt. Time is half an hour, means 30 minutes, and it is connected to a battery of 70 volt. Potential difference is 70. So P is equal to 14 volt. Time is 1800 second, and potential difference is 70 volt. So value of the heat is P multiply T. So put the value of the power and time. The value of the heat energy will comes out to be this 25200 joule. So note this numerical. P is equal to VI. Power is I square R. Power is equal to V square upon R. The formula of energy is E is equal to power multiply time, and energy is theoretically equal to work done, which is equal to the heat energy produced through circuit. I hope that you understood this topic. If you have any queries, please reply in a comment section. Thank you.